Responsible use of AI. As AI solutions become increasingly available, there are numerous potential uses to drive organizational value, be these administrative or programmatic in nature. However, using AI tools comes with the duty of doing so responsibly. It is important to make sure that any use or content created with AI follows your organization's guidelines on what is acceptable use and what is not. For example, these tools might unintentionally introduce biases, or might even have picked up biases from the data it learns from, like unfair views about certain groups or underrepresented populations. We also need to watch out for inappropriate content that could mislead people or even be offensive. While AI might not always be accurate when it lacks context, it can give wrong answers while portraying confidence. It is therefore important to always review and validate AI-generated outputs to avoid mistakes that could lead to serious consequences. AI should never be used in ways that could harm people, put them at risk, or infringe on their privacy and dignity. It is imperative to never upload individuals' personal information or share internal information, for example, on popular AI chatbots. Any data that you enter on a prompt in external AI tools will be shared with the company that created the service. While this is an actively evolving topic, here are some points that can help guide you. Never generate content that goes against your organization's guidelines, values, humanitarian principles, or could harm people. Never input personal data about anyone. Never share sensitive information about your organization or the people your organization serves with external AI tools. Never upload sensitive organizational documents or content to external AI tools. Always consider different cultural backgrounds when using AI to create content to ensure appropriateness across diverse contexts. Always review and validate the output from AI tools before using them. Before integrating AI into your projects, make sure it is approved by your organization. Overall, using AI responsibly means following the principle of do no harm and being mindful of how it might affect people and communities.